Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I will show you how to create a Discord bot. Go to any browser, then search Discord Developer Portal. Then go to the first link. Remember, you have to be logged into your Discord. Then go to Application from the left. Then click New Application from the right. Write the name of your bot. Now mark the box. Then click Create. Now select the profile picture of your bot. You can also add description and tags. Here is your application ID and public key of your bot. Then click Save Change. Now here is your bot. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.